If you want to download and install LibreOffice on your computer, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step so you can get LibreOffice installed safely and start using it right away. LibreOffice is a free and powerful office suite that lets you create documents, spreadsheets, presentations, and more. So whether you need it for school, work, or personal use, this is a great tool to have on your computer. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. All right, let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to LibreOffice.org. Make sure you type the website correctly so you land on the official LibreOffice site. Once the page loads, look for the Download LibreOffice button and click it. This will take you to the download page where LibreOffice offers the latest version for your system. On the next page, click Download under the latest stable version. This is the recommended version for most users because it's the most reliable and ready for everyday use. After you click Download, the file should begin downloading automatically. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a few moments, so just wait until the download finishes completely. Once the file is downloaded, open it from your browser's Downloads bar or from the Downloads folder on your computer. When you double-click the downloaded file, the LibreOffice Setup Wizard will open. This is where you'll install the software onto your device. Now follow the setup prompts carefully. Click Next to continue, then choose Typical if that option is shown. Typical is the easiest choice for most users because it installs the standard recommended components without you having to configure anything complicated. After that, click Install to begin the installation process. Your computer may ask for permission to make changes. If that happens, just allow it so the installer can continue. This is completely normal during software installation. After you approve it, the installation will begin, and you'll want to wait until it finishes. Depending on your computer, this may take a minute or two, so be patient while the setup completes. When the installation is done, click Finish to close the installer. At this point, LibreOffice is now installed on your computer and ready to use. You can open it from your desktop if a shortcut was created, or find it in your Start menu or Applications folder, depending on your device. Once LibreOffice opens, you'll see the main interface where you can start working on documents, spreadsheets, presentations, and other files. If you're new to it, take a moment to explore the different tools inside Writer, Calc, and Impress. These are the main apps included in LibreOffice, and they work a lot like other popular Office programs. But the big advantage is that LibreOffice is free to download and use. So that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed LibreOffice on your computer. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.